A new layer of protection against the virus is coming to a store near you. Large acrylic panels are being installed at thousands of grocery stores all across the country.
CBS 13's Adrienne Moore is live from her home tonight with the Elk Grove company behind sneeze guards. Interesting, Adrienne.
Yeah, it is. Elizabeth and Tony, the name may sound a little funny, but the company behind these sneeze guards is serious about keeping people safe on both sides of the register.
With each precision cut and splice, Dan Hayes is carving out a new purpose.
This is something that's brand new. It's absolutely unprecedented. We've never seen any demand on acrylic like this in years.
His Elk Grove-based company, Universal Custom Display, typically makes acrylic window displays for stores like Safeway and American Eagle Outfitters. But a reinvention came once COVID-19 hit the country. Now it's churning out sneeze guards to protect customers and clerks from the killer virus.
It's basically a sneeze guard or a moisture guard that would block any kind of droplet exchange between a clerk and or a customer.
The rectangular shields create a physical barrier to keep customers and clerks 6 feet apart and can be molded to fit any checkout aisle. Hundreds have already been installed at local stores. With more than 1,000 sneeze guards being produced a day, meeting the demand at the speed in which stores need them has been a challenge. But it's a welcome one that comes with a deep sense of pride.
Proud of the fact that we're continuing to be an essential provider of product for essential business in a time where the shelter-in-place laws are in effect.
Yet another protective barrier provided by a local company during an unprecedented crisis.
When it gets tough, you got to get down in the dirt and you got to grind.
It's great to see local companies doing some wonderful things in our community. The company, by the way, also working with hospitals to create what's called a bio box. It's meant to help protect doctors and nurses who are dealing with COVID-19 patients. Guys.
People need all the protection they can get. That's great. Yeah.